Hi guys, this is Cynthia and I'm here on set today and I had a few minutes and I wanted to kind of show you how to use our finishing touch on straight hair today. Okay, so with the product, I kind of twist it. You can pump it. You don't have to worry about it being like a mascara and getting air in. It won't affect it or anything like that. So I always twist to make sure I have enough product throughout the brush, right? So we just kind of twist it and I'm just going to brush it in. You can get as close as you want. Some people get almost like a stripe of hair breakage. Like I have my grays coming in, my tinsel. So I get really short ones. So you can kind of just brush it in. And you can put as much or as little as you want. You can kind of rebrush it, and I have one more sticking up, so I'm going to go back through. And sometimes mine are super short, so I'll kind of take it and kind of rub it off and just kind of go in and brush them down. So either way works with your hair. It's not greasy, it's not waxy feeling or anything like that. And you're ready to go. Ta-da!